Today we're going to talk about something called the cell cycle. It is basically the life cycle of a cell. It tells us how a cell grows, how it reproduces, and how it may end up. So, first of all, we have the G1 stage, in which the cell is growing, it increases in size, and it creates proteins. Then the cell may go into G0, which is a stage that can be permanent or temporary. If it's permanent, the cell will not divide and will stay like that until the end of its life cycle. The cell may remain metabolically active but quits dividing. Then there is the G1 checkpoint, where the cell checks if it is big enough and the environment is suitable enough for it to keep on doing what it does. Then we go into the S phase, which is a period of DNA replication. And after that, we go into G2, and that is after DNA replication of the cell, and it continues to grow and produce proteins. Then we should go into the M phase, which is mitosis, and here all the energy should be focused on the division of two similar daughter cells, well, actually identical daughter cells. After that, there is a mitosis checkpoint, or the M checkpoint, where the cell checks again if it is big enough and the environment is suitable enough. We're going to talk specifically about mitosis. It is divided into 5 stages, and the first one is prophase. Here, the chromatin condenses to form structures called chromosomes. Then the nuclear membrane disappears, the centrosomes move to the opposite sides of the cell, and a new structure forms, the mitotic spindle, or microtubule system. We should go into metaphase now, in which the microtubules of the mitotic spindle gather with the chromosomes. The mitotic spindle fibers get aligned with the chromosomes by shortening and elongating. Then, the chromosomes are located at the center of the cell, or the equatorial zone. Next is anaphase, in which the mitotic spindle fibers separate the sister chromatids, and each sister chromatid moves toward the poles of the cell. Telophase is when the chromatids decondense to form the chromatin, and the nuclear membrane reappears again, and the microtubules disintegrate, and therefore the mitotic spindle disappears. The final stage is called cytokinesis, which is when the cell finally divides and the cytoplasm disintegrates to form two new identical